Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am out of work. Work was pretty good, crazy, but right now we are doing some chicken wings. My mom has a potluck tomorrow, so she's making chicken wings. And yeah, we're just using the little air fryer right here. I have no idea how many there are, but there's like a lot. And we're also doing it with the Buffalo Wild Wings sauce. We have the medium and mild, and they're pretty good. So this is like one tray, another tray, and then we had other 2 trays of full of like wings. And then we have our air fryer here, and then we have like this tray of wings that are already done, which are the mild. So yeah, we still have a long way to go, but they are really good and they taste really good. And I like to leave it in a little bit more just because I like the crunchiness of the wings. I will catch up with you guys in a little bit after I am done with helping my mom cook all of these chicken wings. I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I just finished taking a shower. I didn't put a face mask. I don't know if my skin really needs it. I feel like it needs it because I've been wearing a mask at work. Anyways, I don't really feel like putting on a face mask, to be honest. I'm just gonna do my nails and just have a chill afternoon. So I am on winter break. Yay! I have been waiting for this since like Thanksgiving. I've been wanting to go on winter break since Thanksgiving. So I'm happy it's here and I get 2 weeks off, so I get to like sleep and just relax. So work was pretty good. I'm glad the kids were able to do their gingerbread house today. Yesterday was a snowstorm, so class was canceled. And I was kind of bummed out, like, oh, I wish they were able to do their gingerbread house hopefully before we even go to break. So today was the last day and I'm glad that they were able to make the gingerbread houses and they loved it. They had a really fun time eating the candy and building their gingerbread house. There were some kids that didn't even build their house, like they were just like stuffing all of the candy in their mouths. I know that there's some kids that are like, can I eat the candy? I'm like, yes, you can eat the candy. That's what it's for. It's for you guys to eat it. But yeah, and then there was kids that were like they literally grabbed marshmallows and they just stuffed it all over. And I'm like, oh my god, I feel like these kids have never ate candy before. We had a lot of things that they were able to do, such as building a gingerbread house, wrapping a Christmas ornament for their parents, and making a reindeer. And then they were doing, and then for like dramatic play, they had like a Santa's workshop where they're like elves and like they make toys, such as like building a doll house of blocks, or making a robot, or making like a train or whatever, and like just being elves. And then they could also like write letters to Santa. I don't know if you guys have seen like a couple videos before, but it was the red box that they can like put letters in there, and some kids needed help with like writing what they wanted for Christmas. They're so funny. This little girl, she made me laugh. I'm like, whoa, where did she get all of this? So, but she was like, can you write down that I want makeup for Christmas and I want a makeup mirror where I can like do my makeup? And then I'm like, a makeup vanity? She's like, yeah, one of those so I can like sit down and I can do my makeup. I was like, okay. I'm like over here writing it down. And then she's like, and I want a Barbie house, and I don't know what else that she wanted, but I'm like over here writing it down, like she wants to make a vanity, makeup. It was so funny. And I'm like, girl, you're only like 4 years old. What do you want to do with makeup? And this little boy, he was like, can you write that I want a dirt bike? I want a black Spider-Man. I don't know if it's like the Venom Spider-Man. I don't know. I'm not I think they know what it is. I have no idea. And then I'm like, okay. And then he's like, and then I want a crayon box so I can like do my homework and I can like color. You're in preschool, you don't have homework. Which was, I didn't say that though, of course, but in my mind I'm like, you're so funny, you're not in preschool, like you don't get homework. But I guess him of the idea of having a crayon box and doing homework was like cool for him. And then he was like, and I just want everything. I was like, okay, I'm over here writing everything. He's so funny. He's so cute. Yeah, and then there was when that like drew a ghost Santa Claus. I'm like, oh, these kids make me laugh. The things that they say are so funny. The kids, like, sometimes they ask like me and the other teacher, they're like, teacher, and they look around, they're like, where do you sleep? Like they think that I sleep there or that I live at work or at school. And I'm like, no, I don't sleep here. Or like things that they told me, they're like, oh, where's your mom? Oh, where's your sister? Oh, where's your brother? Oh, where's your dad? They're just hilarious. I'm trying these on and I feel like there's some that are way too big for my thumb. Like if you see this one, it's like way too big. So I might just do this. But I don't know, I feel like they look super fake. I feel like they look super fake. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do these. I have not worn nails in like a year. It's about to be 2 years. I have not worn nails in 2 years. And now I just feel so weird wearing them. And there's times where I'm like, I want to wear nails, but I'm like, no, I don't want to wear nails. So what I'm just gonna do, which I already kind of like filed my nails. Yeah, I'm scared because I know my mom is making tamales and I'm like, what if a nail comes off? It's like in the tamales or something. And we're over here trying to like find it out. I'm like, I don't know. So I'm just going to paint my nails. Hopefully it dries really fast because I honestly do not have the time of the world. I'm not the best at making nails, okay? So don't come for me if they look ratchet. Anyways, it was so hard in the morning trying to get out of like the little small driveway parking lot that I have. I want to move back to California. I really want to go back. During like the winter time, I feel like I need to get out of here. Like I need to go to a different state. I think maybe every year during the winter time, whenever it snows, I'm just leaving. I'm like, bye Utah. I do not want to deal with the snow and having to scrape my car in the morning. And yeah, so today in the morning I had a hard time. The snow, it became like solid rock, like not solid rock, but it became like so hard and heavy. I had like trouble lifting it up. I'm not like the muscular toughest girl out there, so I'm pretty weak and I'm like skinny and stuff, so I'm not that strong. So it was so hard taking off like those big chunks of snow that became like hard, like a rock, literally. It was so hard taking those out and moving it so that I can like back up my car. So thankfully this guy helped me out. He had like a bigger shovel than I did. Mine is very hard, so mine's not plastic, but it's a small one. So it was easy to take off the white snow, but then once it turns like black or brownish or whatever, which is like already dirt from like the streets and all, like that part was like so hard and it became like a rock. So that was like the toughest thing to like dig out, and I tried to back it out and then I couldn't. Like my tires were like spinning and spinning and I kept putting on the like pressing on the gas, and I'm like, no, I don't want to, because I'm so scared. Like what if I lose control and I hit someone or something? So he's like, you just have to step on it a little bit on, not a little bit, but you just have to step a little bit more on the gas, so that you can like get out really quick, because if you get out slow, you're just gonna keep getting stuck in the snow. So you have to like go back a little bit, like kind of fast, but not too fast. But you also have to be careful that you don't slip and lose control and you hit a car in the back, or you run over someone that's walking. So I'm like, so like, what is it? Like, do I press on the gas really quick? He's like, you just kind of have to risk it and be careful. And then on my way out, okay, so the guy helped me, right, to get out, and then I had to put gas. So on my way to get out from my apartment complex onto the street, I made a turn right so that I can like turn onto the street and make a left. So I made a left, right, and my car was sliding this way. I was like, no, I was freaking out. And I've been told, like, don't slam on the brakes at all, like let go of the gas slowly, and like slowly hit the brakes. Like, don't just hit it or freak out, like slowly hit on the brakes. I went to go put gas, and there was this one part where it's like, it looks like that looks kind of complicated. I don't even want to try to go in there, because what if I get stuck and then I won't be able to make it to work? Yeah, I had to go around the whole like gasoline station to put gas. I was like, please don't let my car die right here. But yeah, I really want to go buy like emergency, like a safety kit, just in case. Like, I know I need to buy a new battery because my battery is like 2 years old. I really need a new battery. Also, I just need like a safety kit. Like, I've been told like to get like blankets, jumper cables, tools to like change your tires, chains for the tires, water, snacks, I don't know, like other stuff, flares, something like that. I was about to say light bulbs, flashlights, batteries, just in case I get stuck in the middle of the road, or I get stuck somewhere and I have things to keep me warm in case my car dies, or in case I get into a car accident. Oh, God forbid I don't, but I have something to keep me warm, or to drink water or have snacks meanwhile I get help. Because during the snow weather, it is like very, not hard, but like there's so many accidents that I think it's like so busy. So I don't know if they take long for like to help you out or something. So I need to get that. I do have some blankets that I was gifted, so I'm definitely going to be using those for my car, just in case of an accident. I have something to keep me warm if my car dies or whatever. That was my day. I really want to show you guys what I do to scrape my car. It is a process, and I will say a process. Like, my California people, you guys will be like, I do not have time for this. I hate this, because I'm so not used to it. I really just want to vlog just so that you guys can understand what I go through. No, but really, just so you guys can see how annoying and how hard and just frustrating it can be when you have to like scrape everything off your car. I'm just gonna wait for these to dry, and then I'm gonna start editing after I'm done with this vlog, and then I'm going to go to sleep because I am super sleepy. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with my videos, and I will catch up with you guys in the next video. Bye guys.